a man doing things that he had no idea was humanly possible.
2 blocks one day, nigga, that's me. 2 blocks one day, I can teach how to creep. I can teach how to leave nigga ass in the street. Got stuck in the zip, now his ass looking weak.
Yo, boy, that's all T-T, man. Back at the unit, another video. Shit, I ain't gonna be doing too much talking. I'ma mainly be chilling in eco mode. Shit's around about probably like 9 a.m. I'm gonna go ahead just push this video up for y'all, bro. I know I've been bullshitting. I'm supposed to drop every Wednesday and shit. But unfortunately, some shit happened to my car, but my motherfucking tire blew up. So I couldn't drop. And yeah, nigga just woke up, so I fucking why not get some content for y'all, bro. I'm on the way back to the crib. But without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And yeah, catch y'all in the next one, Joe the video, man. Yeah. I'm not foreign in the bitch, so I don't think my car's slow, but this shit not slow at all. Fucking keyboard warriors. Shit. I look crazy. I probably look crazy as hell, bro. It's off the E-Rock, bro. Got me my little shit on you, and my motherfucking little you, my little motherfucking whip, my motherfucking Crocs on and shit. Yeah, we got this motherfucker getting this concept beyond, bro. Tired of shit, about to go on there drink probably get on the game and some shit. Cool. Look at OG in this motherfucker, you with me? Shit, gonna get this motherfucker pulled off, yeah. Traffic. I'm gonna catch y'all once I get out of this motherfucking traffic. You. Alright, bet you two. We back, man. I don't know, bro. A lot of people, they go for leg maker and all that other shit, bro. I ain't even do that. And my supercharger loud as hell, bro. If y'all heard this shit in person, bro, this shit loud as hell. And my car straight pipes up. And I used to still be able to hit my wine sometimes, bro, when my car was catalyst too, with this intake. So imagine if I had an upper and lower pulley, bro, and like pulled a blower, this bitch would be yelling. Shit, and it's not bad for the price I got it for. That shit was probably like $200, but niggas out here buying leg makers and shit. Fucking $500. I be damned. Get the same shit, bro. Same shit. I need to get this bitch detailed. Like, look at all this dirt. Shit, bro. I need to get this shit fixed. I need to get a lot of shit done. I need to redo my whole tent. I'm gonna get ceramic tent on here. Yeah, redo my whole tent, bro. I gotta redo everything on this motherfucker. But it's cool. It's gonna come together, bro. I only had the car for a year. We still got life in this bitch. And I'm gonna bring y'all along with the journey, bro, this car. I'm gonna keep it for a while till we move on to something different, bro. It's just the beginning of this YouTube shit. Once this shit blow, bro, I'm gonna bring a lot of more content, bro. Better content, different cars, all that shit, whatever y'all want. Down the back road. Charlie, scat motherfucker. Shit clean. Come on, bro, bust this motherfucker turn. Fuck, can't go straight. Fuck, he ain't going left. About to try to make me ball up, nephew. Oh, that shit clean. That 5.0, that new shit. I fuck with the yellow on that bitch. Spinning in third and shit, bro. Don't me up. Hey, y'all let me know in the comments whatever vids y'all want to see and shit. If I should put, if y'all want me to put Callus mid parts in here and 5-inch tips. And by the way, I did recently slide my car. I'm gonna insert the clip inside the video to let y'all see and shit. So make sure y'all, shit, if you make it to the end, bro, and you see the slide clip, then if you don't, you don't. That was the first time, bro, first try, me slide my car in a year, bro. That was my first time, bro. Last time I slid my car, bro, my car was green. And I had my wrap off for so fucking long. But, yeah. I might be backsliding, I might not. Really depends, bro, what I'm trying to do with this car. Either I'm going to beat on it or race it. I mean, I could do both. But, hey, we're gonna see what we do. Slow video out for y'all today, man. Y'all show hella love on the last video, bro. Appreciate that shit, bro. Shit. already know what it is. About to pull up to the Caribbean. Still your boy Take Money, baby. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Share to your motherfucking friends. And what the fuck is you doing? Share to your motherfucking friends. And tune into the next one. Yeah.
Bo Jackson, nigga. Don't think shit smooth, drop smooth, motherfucker be caught. Man, get out my way, all I need is a drink and a drive when it's time to go get in that car. Nigga man got crack, he ain't getting that car, go spin, he ain't got no op. Nigga man got crack, he ain't sitting on the nigga ass house, don't leave till he drop. He was fishing the 6-1 playing the merge, got chasing his ass, got leaked. He was fishing the 6-1 playing the merge and the switch one.